Hello guys, so something happened to me last week and I want to share with you guys so that anytime you are in this situation, you will know what to do. So I applied for refund last week on my 1688 account. So if you guys don't know, I do procurement. So I was helping a woman to buy some goods from China, guys, using 1688. So this woman, after the goods have got to her warehouse, so she wanted to buy some other stuff too, but her money is not completed, so and she don't have any money again. She told me to apply for refund for a product that is already in our warehouse, which means the goods is in our warehouse in China. So she wants me to apply for refund so they will pay her back. So when I applied for refund, then I was unable to get paid. I was like, what's going on? Then I found out that any goods that get to your warehouse, like before you apply for refund, so any goods that get to your warehouse before you apply for refund, then you will have to apply for refund and return, which means you will have to return the goods back to the supplier because the goods can be in your warehouse and you still want to collect your money from the supplier. So that is like a theft. So what you need to do is you need to send the good back and then get your money back. So that is how it works. So when I apply for refund, I didn't know about all this stuff. So when I apply for refund, so I just think that it is just like normal procedure that after you apply for refund in like 20 to 5 or 2 minutes, guys, it depends. So I'll get refunded back. But I noticed like a day goes by, I wasn't refunded. Like 2 days, I wasn't refunded. So I was like, what's going on? I should have get the money for this product I applied for refund. Then I have to message those supplier hub because there are three suppliers. So I actually messaged those supplier hub and I told them that, oh, I applied for refund on this product or on this social product on your store. So I haven't been refunded and it's been like over 48 hours now. So what's going on? So the supplier has to explain to me that when you already received the goods, which means I have sent out the goods and I've go to the normal procedure of sending the goods to a customer. So after I done that and you want to apply for refund, you will have to return the goods back to me before I can approve the withdrawal, the refund. I was like, oh, I didn't know about that. Then I asked the supplier, how will I do that? Then the supplier showed me how everything goes. So that's just how it works, guys. So if you are in this situation, don't panic. So what you just need to do is message your supplier and your supplier will tell you exactly what to do. And actually at the end of the day, this woman actually forfeited the refund, which means like she actually accept those goods and she was like, is like I should not worry about the refund because she wants to sell in December. So she was like, before I send back the goods, like it might be like over 4 or 5 days. And before, so she was like, she don't have the luxury of waiting that long again because now she wants to like apply for a pack and then send her goods down to Nigeria because you understand she wants to sell in December and we are in September right now, so she don't have enough time. So that is why she told me to leave it, guys. But I'll still show you how to go about it. So this is how it works. So guys, we are on my 1688 account now. So as you can see, if you have gone to this section right here, so if you don't know how to get to this section, just click on me. So if you click on me, then you'll be on this section. So the next thing now to do is, so as you can see here, this is refund. So this is refund. Yours might not be in English, yours might be in Chinese, but this is actually like an English version of 1688. So 1688 I've updated. So what you just need to do is click on this section right here that says refund. So as you can see here, it has three, which means it is three product I want to apply for refund. But actually the woman told me I should not worry anymore. But I should have cancelled what's it called, the refund request, but I still want to show you how it works. So when this thing happen exactly, I don't record it because I was also like I was worried about how it work, but I screenshot. So don't worry, I have the screenshots with me. So what you need to do is click on this section right here. So after you click on this section, let's wait. So guys, after I click on that section, we are on this tab right here. But before it starts showing this tab, this is the tab like you will get. So guys, this is the tab that it will show. So the next thing for you to do is just click on this thing right here. So you can screenshot. If you screenshot, this says find a courier. So who are courier, guys? So someone that will come from 1688 office and then come to your warehouse or your house, guys. So that will go to your warehouse in China. Then they will give the person the goods. Then the person will take the goods back to the supplier and then you will be paid. So that is how it's work, guys. So that's just what you need to do. When you click on this find a courier, then some number will show up, like one, like China number will show up, guys. So we don't have Chinese number, guys. So what you just need to do is copy that number, then text your supplier to help you to call the supplier, to call the courier, sorry, to come and pick up the goods at your warehouse. So what you just need to do is after the supplier call the courier, then the courier will go to your warehouse again and pick up the goods. So that's just how it works, guys. And if your supplier can't contact the courier, you can send the number to your shipping company, guys. Your shipping company actually have a customer support. So you can message the customer support for the to help you call the number, guys. So your customer support can also help you. So it goes both ways. So that's just how it works. But the second thing I also want to show you is that, like, and if you don't have that option, because that is the option you will have, and you have this option, this also goes well, guys. So what you just need to do is, if you click on this section right here, it also say the same thing, that your courier will come and pick up the goods at your warehouse. But if you click on this section right here, which means you are the one that will actually send the goods to your supplier, guys. So this is actually the supplier, like shipping address, everything, guys. So this is the supplier address, guys. So if you click on this now, that means you are the one that will send your goods to your supplier. So you can also do this thing, but what you need to do is you need to message your shipping company. So it is your shipping company that will help you to send your goods. But one thing you should notice that you are going to pay for local freight. So what is local freight? Local freight is the amount they will use to carry your goods from your warehouse back to your supplier. So it is not always costly. So it might range for like 10 yuan to 15 yuan. It just depends on the goods actually. And it can even go as low as 7 yuan or even 5 yuan, guys. It depends on the product. So that's just it, guys. So if you have any question, you have anything you don't understand in this section, guys, just drop it in the comment section, guys, and I will answer you. So thank you for watching. See you next time.